import the beautiful image. Go to filter, camera raw filter. Give our image some nice magical pink colors. Originally I wanted to make her so really dark. Why, you may ask? Well, let me just stop here, okay? I am a really horrible person, okay? Like really awful. So please don't expect anything nice from me. And now when we are clear, welcome to the channel, my dear friends. Select that sweet smudge tool and start doing these beautiful, amazing, magnificent smudges. Select rectangle tool and create a rectangle. Give it a rainbow gradient. Change its blending mode to lighten or screen. Come on, pick already something. Are you stupid? Okay, let it be linear dodge. Using mask, make it visible only on the smudged area. Now just copy it to all the other areas, baby! And now create a hue saturation layer if you want to change its colors. And if you don't, then still f***ing do it, because I said so and I am the boss here. Please don't unsubscribe. Draw with white color inside the eye. Add some magical outer glow to your eyes. Wow! Select ellipse tool, create an ellipse. Use mask to place it inside the hands. Add another outer glow. And now you might say, but Fred, you promised us this artwork, not this one. Well, just turn off hue saturation, stupid. Don't worry, I still love you. Make sure to check learnfromfred.com where you can get all of my premium Photoshop classes, plus my sexy voice. And all of this for free with a 30-day trial. Boom chicka boom.